Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete the background of an image within Canva. So as you can see, I'm now in Canva and yeah, I have an image of a Lamborghini. So I want to remove the background, this grayish, whitish background of this Lamborghini. So this is actually very easy. I just need to tap on this image, I need to select this image and then go to edit photo right here. So under effect, you can go to tools, and under tools you need to go to background remover, BG remover. So just tap on it, and as you can see, I need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use this feature. So I need to have Canva Pro in order to use this background remove feature. So you can just tap on this button, try Canva Pro free for 30 days, and you can cancel anytime, and we will remind you 7 days before your trial ends that you can cancel your plan. So I will show you how it looks, how to remove the background of a Canva Pro on a Canva Pro account. So as you can see, this is a Canva Pro account of me, and I have the same image of a Lamborghini, and I want to remove this grayish, whitish background. So just tap on it, select the image, then go to edit photo, and under effects, under tools, you see BG remover, background remover. Tap on it, and boom, the background is deleted. So you can just go to the settings icon, tap on the settings icon, and you can erase multiple parts. You can change the brush size, you can make it bigger, smaller, you can restore parts. So if you want to restore this, if you, for example, want to erase this part, just select erase, make the brush maybe a bit smaller, and you can be really precise with this if you want to, but that is not necessary right now. So that's a way of doing this, of removing the background within Canva, but as I said, you need Canva Pro for that. Another way of removing the background, and this way is totally free, is by going to remove.pg to go to this site, and like here, 100% automatically and free. So you can just upload your image. As you see, this is the image of the Lamborghini. Boom, and the background is deleted. As you see, here's still a part that needs to be deleted, but you can just tap on edit and then go to erase/restore, then select erase, change the brush size maybe a bit bigger or smaller, and just erase this. Of course, you need to zoom in and be really precise with this, but that is not necessary right now. So as you can see now, the image is, or the background is deleted, the background is removed, and it's very easy and free with this method, with this site. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.